Jackal 2. We're getting into this palace fast and getting out faster. Once you do the necessary, we're wiping it off the map.
Roger that, Jackal 1. We're not sticking around for tea.
Probably dreadful anyway.
We're looking for a bunker. Our best guess is that we can access it on the far side of the grounds.
We'll see you through. After that, it's up to Talon 1 to lift us all out in one piece.
That's my preference.
So let's get to it then. We're nearly there.
Set! Palace gate is just ahead.
Look alive, people. They know we're coming. Fire at will!
Eyes on the roof!
Chainsaw 3-2, coming. Chainsaw 3-2 departing. Chainsaw 3-2 available for deployment.
That's it. Bunker door ahead.
Make a ball!
Pantheon!
Take him out!
Must be guarding something important.
Get okay! Keep pushing forward!
Case Adler on me. We're going down.
We'll hold the area.
Hostiles inside.
Be quick about it!
Good. Switch it. Check fire. We're clear. Let's go.
This better be it.
Really make you work for it, don't they?
Good God.
Saddam's hoarding millions down here.
Hell, this gold toilet's worth that much.
And he traded all for a WMD. We're close. Clear.
What the hell happened in here?
Biohazard cabinet. Must be the demonstration Alawi mentioned.
How about that hard case there? Check it out. What do we got?
The Cradle.
Pantheon has a goddamn biological weapon. And they put this in Saddam's hands too?
A sample of it, based on what I'm seeing in here.
What'd you find?
A disc. Some notes, all in Russian. The project's headed by Matvey Gusev.
Sounds like you know him.
I recognize the name. Gusev was a scientist in the Soviet Union's biological weapons program, Biopreparat. Intelligence had him fleeing Russia last year. Then he vanished.
Gusev gave the Pantheon a Soviet bioweapon?
No. According to this, the Cradle came from somewhere else. A research facility I'm familiar with. It's American.
American?
All right, visiting time's over, you three. We need your help up here.
Heading topside. Let's move.
Get what you wanted?
Not exactly, but we got what we needed.
We need to clear a pickup zone. Let's get to the palace rooftop. Jackal 1-1, you got an enemy bird to the east. Tango's on the ground approaching your position. Copy that! Let's give them what we got!
We got a stack of weapons over there. Need air support. Bunch of Pantheon and Iraqis on the way.
Alpha 1, this is Talon 1. We're halfway clear position. Prepare for extract.
Talon 1, too hot! We got enemy halos in the air!
Roger, maintaining distance.
They keep coming!
Target locked.
Talon 1, airspace is clear! Get over here!
Moving in, Jackal 1.
Get ready! We need suppression!
Come on, load up!
Deploying vertical.
Come on, target is yours! Confirmed, incoming.
Enjoy the view.
Going out with a bang, Hart.
You've been saving that one, haven't you?
It's good seeing you again.
Well, look at that, Adler. We actually agree on something.